What if I told you that you could make $100,000 a month with nothing but your phone and an internet connection? Sounds insane, right? But it's exactly what I'm about to show you, step by step. And no, you don't need a huge audience, a big budget, or years of experience. I'm talking about something so new, most people haven't even heard of it yet. It's called Whop, and it's quietly paying creators life-changing amounts of money. Yes, real cash. And no, it's not one of those scams or get-rich-quick promises. I'll break down exactly how it works, and how you can start today. Imagine turning simple 15-second videos into thousands of dollars, over and over again. That's exactly what's happening right now. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how Whop can pay you per view, just for creating content. And the numbers will shock you. We're talking CPMs, money per thousand views, higher than YouTube ads or TikTok's creator fund. I'll even share real campaign examples you can join immediately. So stay tuned. This is going to change how you think about online income. CTA. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. That $100 was the start of my $100,000 per month journey. And the crazy part? The process is repeatable. Step 1. Sign up for Whop's Content Rewards program. Step 2. Pick the highest paying campaigns. Step 3. Create short-form videos that grab attention fast. Step 4. Upload, submit, and watch the payouts roll in. You could literally start this today and have your first payment within hours. No complex tech. No expensive software. Just your phone, free editing apps, and the right formula. And I'll give you that formula in this video. But first, let me pull back the curtain on Whop. Because once you see the dashboard, everything will click. This is where the big money hides. Let's log in together. Here's the Whop homepage. You'll see the content rewards section. This is where brands post campaigns that pay you for making videos. Some pay $10 per thousand views. Others pay up to $50 per thousand. That means a single video hitting 100,000 views could be worth $5,000. And you can submit multiple videos to multiple campaigns. Now think about this. If you post 10 videos a day across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, each one has the potential to rack up views and payouts. It's a numbers game, but a very profitable one. And Whop pays out fast. We're talking days, not months. You don't even have to be a professional video editor. Use trending sounds, simple captions, and catchy hooks. Like I'm doing right now. This is where it gets exciting. You can stay faceless if you want. You can use stock footage, product clips, or even AI-generated content. No excuses. If you can drag and drop clips, you can do this. The key is matching your videos to the highest paying campaigns. I'll show you how to filter and sort those in a second. But first, let's break down why this works so well. Brands want attention. You create videos. Whop connects the two and pays you for results. That's it. Simple economics. And since the internet is endless, you'll never run out of campaigns. Even better, there's no limit to how much you can earn. Your income is directly tied to your output and creativity. You want $1,000 a month? Easy. $10,000? Possible. $100,000? Absolutely doable. I'm not saying it's instant, but it is fast, and you'll see proof in a second. This isn't just for influencers. Regular people are doing this daily. Students, parents, side hustlers, even retirees. All making money from short videos. And all thanks to Whop's platform. Let me show you an example campaign. Here's one that pays $25 per thousand views. You can submit up to 10 videos per month. So if each video gets just 20,000 views, that's $5,000 from one campaign. Now imagine stacking 5 or 10 of these campaigns. That's where the $100,000 per month potential comes in. It's all math, and I'll give you the exact equation. CPM times views times number of videos equals income. And when you increase all three, your earnings skyrocket. This is the power of leverage with short-form content. Next, let's go through the sign-up process together. Go to whop.com, create an account, and verify your email. Then head straight to the Creator Hub. Click Content Rewards. Browse campaigns by payout rate and niche. Pick ones that match your style or are trending right now. For example, tech gadgets, AI tools, lifestyle products. These niches get crazy engagement. Once you pick a campaign, hit apply. You'll get guidelines, script ideas, and posting instructions. Then it's time to create. Start with a strong hook in the first 3 seconds. Ask a bold question, share a shocking fact, or promise a quick solution. Example: this $20 gadget saved me $500 last month. Or, I made $300 from this app while I was sleeping. Here's how. Add captions. Most people watch with the sound off. Keep it between 10 and 20 seconds for maximum retention. Use trending sounds. Whop campaigns love them. Edit fast, cut out any dead air. Post to multiple platforms: TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts. That's how you multiply your reach without more work. After posting, upload the link to Whop's dashboard. Track your views and watch the payout estimates climb. It's addictive, in a good way. Remember, volume is your friend. One viral video can pay thousands, but many smaller videos can do the same. And here's a pro tip: batch film your content in one day. Then drip it out over the week. Keeps you consistent without burning out. Speaking of consistency, Whop rewards active creators. The more you post, the more campaigns you get access to. That's why this scales so fast. CTA. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. I share strategies like this every week, and you do not want to miss them. Back to the method. Once your videos start earning, reinvest some income. Upgrade your editing tools, buy better lighting, maybe outsource captions. This improves quality and helps you win bigger campaigns. Brands notice quality, and they pay for it. But don't overcomplicate things at the start. Your phone camera is enough to hit your first $1,000. And from there, you just keep scaling. I've seen people go from $0 to $10,000 per month in 60 days. And the $100,000 per month mark? Usually within a year, if they're consistent. The key is momentum. Don't stop after a few videos. Push through the learning curve. It's worth it. And don't be afraid to copy what's working. Study top performing videos in your niche and adapt them. This isn't guessing, it's strategic duplication. And Whop even gives you example content to use. So you're never starting from scratch. It's all there, just waiting for you to take action. Speaking of action, let's look at the exact payout proof. Here's 1 week's earnings from a creator. Over $12,000. And this is with just 30 videos. Now imagine 300 videos across multiple platforms. That's why this model is so powerful. It compounds over time. The more you post, the more you earn. And it's not limited by hours in the day. Your videos keep working for you 24/7. Passive income, powered by short-form content. Here's the 5-step scaling system I recommend. Step 1. Start with 1 to 2 campaigns in your first week. Step 2. Post daily for 30 days. Minimum 2 videos a day. Step 3. Analyze your top 10 videos and find patterns. Step 4. Double down on what works, drop what doesn't. Step 5. Apply to higher paying campaigns as your stats grow. Repeat until you're juggling 5 to 10 active campaigns. At that point, you'll see exponential income growth. It's simple math: more campaigns, more videos, more earnings. And the best part? You can automate parts of it. Hire freelancers to edit or script videos for you. Use AI tools to generate captions or even entire scripts. The less time you spend on the small stuff, the more you can focus on strategy. And that's how you reach the $100,000 per month mark faster. Remember, there's no cap to your earnings here. Whop doesn't limit how much you can make. Your only limit is your creativity and consistency. And even if you have zero creativity, you can copy winning formats. Don't overthink. Just start. Most people fail because they never take action. Don't be one of them. Start small, build fast, scale big. Your future self will thank you. And hey, if I can do it, you can do it. I started with 0 followers and 0 editing skills. Now it's a full-time income stream. All because I committed to posting daily. Consistency beats talent every time. So, what's stopping you? You could start today and be earning by the weekend. And in 90 days, you could be replacing your job income. That's the reality of the internet in 2025. Opportunities like this don't last forever. Platforms change, payouts change. The early movers always make the most. And right now, you're early. Whop is still under the radar. But not for long. Soon everyone will be talking about it. And by then, you'll already be cashing checks. So take advantage now. Set a 30-day challenge for yourself. post every single day, no matter what. Track your progress and watch the momentum build. By the end of the month, you'll have proof it works. And once you see that proof, you'll be hooked. This is more than a side hustle. It's a business. A business you can run from anywhere in the world. Freedom, flexibility, and financial control. That's the Whop opportunity. And it's yours for the taking. So, are you in? Because the people who take action today will be the ones telling their $100,000 per month story tomorrow. And I want you to be one of them. If you've been looking for a sign, this is it. Start today. Don't wait. The first $100 is always the hardest. After that, it snowballs. I've seen it happen countless times. And I know it can happen for you. You just have to take the first step. So close this video, open Whop, and sign up. Pick your first campaign and start filming. Don't worry about being perfect. Just start. You'll get better with every video. And soon, you'll have a library of income-generating content. That's when the real magic happens. Your videos earn while you sleep. And your only job is to keep feeding the system. Simple, scalable, and incredibly rewarding. Before we wrap up, let me remind you, this opportunity is wide open right now. Whop is paying creators every single day. And those payouts are only going to grow as more brands join. If you wait, you'll just be watching others cash in. So jump in while the payouts are high and the competition is low. Remember, start small, post daily, scale fast. That's the formula. And if you stick to it, $100,000 per month isn't just possible, it's inevitable. I'll be here dropping new strategies every week. You don't want to miss them. CTA. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Hit the bell so you get notified instantly. Because tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. I'm not kidding. It's going to blow your mind. It's another untapped income stream. Just as powerful as Whop. But that's for tomorrow. Today, your mission is clear. Sign up for Whop. Pick a campaign. Create your first video today. Submit it, watch the views climb, and get paid. Simple as that. No gatekeepers, no long waits. Just direct payouts for your content. And the more you post, the more you earn. It's the perfect side hustle, or even a full-time career. And it's in your hands right now. So take action. Be consistent. And don't quit when it gets hard. That's when you're closest to a breakthrough. I'll leave you with this. Your first $100 is proof, your first $1,000 is motivation, and your first $10,000 is life-changing. After that, sky's the limit. This is your moment. Don't waste it. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. And when I do, I hope you're already making money from Whop. Because the sooner you start, the sooner you win. And I want you to win big. Really big. So close this video and start now. Seriously, don't just watch. Do. That's how everything changes. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. Click the bell. Drop a comment when you get your first Whop payout. I'll reply personally. Now go make it happen.